The world begins in shadow, a vast, unbroken sea of green stretching to the horizon. This is the tropical rainforest, stirring from its nightly slumber as dawn's first rays pierce the misty canopy. The mist swirls, revealing colossal trees and a rolling terrain of emerald, lime, and deep green. The air is cool, damp, and alive with the scent of wet earth and renewal. As sunlight pours in, the canopy glitters, every leaf and branch catching the morning's light. The silence is filled with a low, humming energy, the breath of millions about to awaken. The first sounds ripple through, distant calls, rustling leaves, and the drip of dew. Rivers wind like silver ribbons through the dense jungle, nourishing this ancient, interconnected world. Now, as the day truly begins, the rainforest's most vibrant inhabitants prepare to make their entrance. Suddenly a flash of color breaks the calm. A flock of scarlet macaws erupts from the canopy, their cries echoing across the sky. They fly in pairs, trailing crimson banners on a daily pilgrimage to distant clay licks for vital minerals. Their journey is a vibrant declaration of life, painting the air with energy. Toko toucans follow, bouncing through the sky with their oversized, lightweight bills, perfect tools for foraging fruit. Their croaking calls add to the morning's chorus. Parrots, a kaleidoscope of greens and blues, dart and weave, chattering in lively conversation as they search for fruiting trees. The sky becomes a bustling highway of color and sound, a testament to the rainforest's abundance. These flocks are more than beautiful. They are essential gardeners, dispersing seeds and ensuring the forest's renewal. Their daily flights shape the landscape, binding the ecosystem together. The vibrant procession overhead is a living symbol of the rainforest's intricate connections. Descend into the heart of the canopy, where the daily dramas of survival unfold. A resplendent quetzal perches quietly, its iridescent plumage shimmering in dappled sunlight, blending perfectly with the leaves. Blue and yellow macaws share a tender moment of allopreening, reinforcing lifelong bonds with gentle clicks and murmurs. In a tangle of vines, a female golden-headed mannequin weaves her nest with spider silk and moss, while the male displays elsewhere. Life here is a constant search for food, each bird with its own niche, from insect eaters to fruit specialists. A keel-billed toucan plucks a ripe fig, tossing it expertly into its throat with its serrated bill. Every species plays a role in the intricate food web, each adapted to survive in this competitive world. The forest is alive with complex interactions, communication, and cooperation. These intimate moments reveal the intelligence and social lives of rainforest birds. Survival here is a continuous, fascinating quest. In sunlit clearings, hummingbirds and sunbirds begin their tireless search for nectar. A sword-billed hummingbird hovers before a trumpet-shaped flower, its bill longer than its body. A perfect evolutionary match. Its wings blur, producing the signature hum, as it visits hundreds of flowers daily to fuel its high-energy life. Hummingbirds are aerial acrobats, flashing iridescent colors as they dart and hover, their forked tongues lapping nectar at lightning speed. In Africa and Asia, sunbirds fill a similar niche, perching to feed with their curved bills and tubular tongues. Their feeding strategies, hovering versus perching, showcase convergent evolution. Both are fiercely territorial, defending flower patches with surprising aggression. Even the tiniest hummingbird will chase away larger intruders to protect its food source. As pollinators, these glittering birds ensure the reproduction of countless plants, weaving themselves into the rainforest's fabric. Their high-speed quest for nectar is vital to the ecosystem's survival. To appreciate avian flight, slow down time and watch the details. Blue and yellow macaws in slow motion reveal the power and grace of each wing beat. Feathers separating, tails steering, bodies stable. The vibrant plumage becomes a flowing river of color, every feather part of a complex aerodynamic dance. Smaller parrots like green-cheeked parakeets display breathtaking agility, twisting and banking through tangled branches. Their acrobatics are essential for escaping predators and reaching hidden food. Landing is a precise maneuver, wings and tail spread wide, feet swing forward, talons grasp the perch. In slow motion, every movement is a carefully choreographed flourish. It's a testament to the remarkable adaptations that make birds masters of the sky. Beyond the parrots, larger birds command the skies with majesty. The great hornbill's enormous wings create a powerful whooshing sound, its flight steady and determined. The hollow casque atop its bill amplifies calls, while its black and white wings cut bold patterns against the green. Hornbills travel in pairs or small groups, their synchronized flight a display of strong social bonds. In wetlands, Sarus cranes, the tallest flying birds, take off with powerful strides, necks and legs outstretched. Once airborne, they soar on thermal updrafts, circling high above the landscape. Their flight is both travel and social display, often part of elaborate courtship dances. Synchronized flights and aerial ballets strengthen lifelong bonds between crane pairs. The crane's stately flight is a symbol of tranquility, a peaceful counterpoint to the forest's energy. These majestic flyers embody the elegance and endurance of the rainforest's avian life. The rainforest's mood shifts as dark clouds gather and thunder rumbles. Rain begins as a gentle patter, then becomes a torrential downpour, drumming on millions of leaves. Activity ceases, birds seek shelter, tanagers huddle under ferns, toucans retreat to tree hollows. The forest enters a quiet pause, a moment of rest and conservation. Rain is lifeblood, washing leaves, replenishing streams, and nurturing the ecosystem. A hawk eagle perches, rain rolling off its water-resistant feathers. As the storm passes, rain softens to a drizzle and sunlight returns, illuminating sparkling droplets. The air is fresh, colors vibrant, and the enforced stillness ends. Slowly, the sounds of the forest return as life resumes. The rainforest, cleansed and renewed, is ready for the next chapter of the day. As the rain subsides and sun returns, birds begin meticulous feather maintenance. A sun-bittern preens, aligning each feather and spreading waterproofing oil from its tail gland. This keeps feathers aerodynamic, flexible, and protected from rain and microbes. Macaws engage in allopreening, reinforcing social bonds as they groom each other's hard-to-reach feathers. Preening is both practical and social, a ritual of trust and care. Birds stretch and realign their muscles, flapping wings to dry and maintain flexibility. The canopy is filled with these small moments of recovery and preparation. With feathers in perfect order, birds are ready for the final foraging trip before nightfall. The sun lowers, and the forest prepares for evening. As afternoon light softens, the rainforest's rhythm shifts. Birds return to roost, their calls softer as they seek the safety of sleeping trees. The sun sets, casting long shadows and transforming trees into dark silhouettes. A toucan perches high, outlined against the fading sky, letting out a final call before tucking in to rest. Daytime sounds fade, replaced by the first chirps of crickets and calls of nocturnal frogs. The transition from day to night is magical. Two worlds briefly overlap. Owls hoot, bats emerge, and the air cools, filled with the scent of damp earth. The rainforest settles into watchful peace, a quiet hum of life beneath the stars. The great green ocean sleeps, dreaming under the night sky, awaiting the return of the sun.